Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to remove video from a video file and just keep the audio in a Flutter macOS application. So let's get started. So firstly I am building my application. Just give me a little bit of time. It should be done any time now. Okay, so the application is ready. Now as you can see, I have two buttons, pick video and save video. Now I'll just want to show you one more thing. Go to okay, so once I click on pick video, it opens the file picker for us. And here inside downloads directory, as you can see, I only have one video, right? This video. Once I click on this video and click on open, it will start the transformation for us, like it will remove the video from video and just keep the audio. It will start playing it inside an AV player. But as soon as it starts playing inside the AV player, I'll quickly click on the save button, because I won't be able to speak because it has started playing the audio right now. You might be saying that why don't you pause the audio or mute the audio? We can't really do that because of this particular bug, at least at the time of recording. If you like, the AV player is a native macOS view, so currently this is a bug in Flutter macOS that you can't do any kind of gestures like click or drag and drop if it is a native macOS view. Okay, if it is a Flutter widget, then you can do it, but for a native macOS view you can't really do it. So I'll just click on open. Once it is started playing, I'll quickly click on save as well, and then I'll stop the application. Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to apply Gaussian blur as well as median blur. So as you saw, I'll quickly it converted to audio, and I saved the audio file as well. Now if I go to my downloads directory, here you can see that audio file was saved. If I click on it, hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. It started playing the audio file. Now here I have created my Flutter project, and here I have just refactored my homepage widget. It is a stateful widget. It takes a method channel called video picker platform. Then I have this video URL as well, which is empty. Then I have created two methods, one called pick video and one called save video. Once you call pick video, we are calling this pick video method from native macOS side, and then we once it has removed the video from video and kept the audio, we send the updated URL from native macOS to Flutter. So this is the URL. Then we assign it to this variable, and for save video we just call the save video method. Then I have two buttons. On click of first button we are calling pick video, on click on second button we call save video. And if the video URL is not equal to empty, then only we display this custom widget, which will show the native macOS view. Otherwise we display a container. Now this native widget has been wrapped inside a size box of fixed width and height. Otherwise your widget won't get displayed, because it is a native view, even though you might give width and height on the native side as well. Then here I have created my native widget. So first I have given it identifier. Same identifier you will have to use it on native macOS side as well. Then this is a stateful widget. Then we have created this map of creation params as well as one key. This map will help us to send this video URL back to Flutter, back to native macOS side. And this key I have created because every time you pick a new video, we want to update this widget. So for that I have written this code. Then if it is macOS platform, then only we display this AppKit view, passing our key, view type, layout direction, creation param, and standard message codec. Then you have to open the XE workspace from macOS inside Xcode. I have already done that. Then inside app sandbox, debug and profile, for user selected file, make sure this is read only. For downloads folder, it should be read/write. For app sandbox /release, user selected file should be read only, and downloads folder should be read/write. Then you will have to go to this main Flutter window. Here I am importing AVKit. Okay, we don't really need this. Then I have created one variable for final URL. Then over here we are creating our method channel. Same identifier I used it on Flutter side as well. So once pick video is called, we are calling this open video picker. So if I show you open video picker, so this is the method. So we are creating our open panel and we are filtering only by videos. Multiple selection is false, and once the user picks a video, we get the URL for that over here. Then we pass the URL to our transform method, which will remove the video from video and just keep the audio, and then we get the updated URL which we send back. Now if I show you the transform method here, first we get access of file manager, then the AV mutable composition, and then the AV URL asset. Then we just get a hold of our audio using this like the name is little misleading. This should be composition audio track, but I think that's fine. Here we are just taking our audio. Similarly for source video track, we are only taking the audio, ignoring the video. Then we are taking the entire duration of our video file, creating a time range out of it, inserting the time range inside our video track. Then we create an export path as well as an export URL. If file already exists, we remove that file. Then we create an AV asset export session, assign the output URL to our export URL, and then we set the output file type, then call export. Then for final URL we could do exporter dot output URL and return the final URL. So if I go over here, as you can see, this is our final URL which I get. So I just return it back to the Flutter side. Now once save video is called, we first get hold of our downloads directory. If final URL is not equal to empty, then we create a destination URL with the help of last path component of our final URL. If file does not exist, we return back. If file already exists, then we remove it. Then we copy it from our final URL to destination URL, which is the downloads directory. Now to display the AV player, this is a boilerplate code which you have to write for displaying any kind of native macOS view. Only thing which you have to be careful about, this is the identifier. Same identifier I have used it on Flutter side, and here I have created one Swift file called my macOS view native view factory. So just create this Swift file, and again in this Swift file I have imported AVKit. Rest everything from here till here is boilerplate code which you have to write every time you have to create a native macOS view. Then here I have created an AV player view. We are getting the video URL from Flutter side, converting it to a proper URL. Then we just create an AV player, pass that URL, assign that player to our player view, start playing that video, and here we just return our player view. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.